Instant ramen has always been there for me when the struggle was just too real. So instead of hiding my shameful affection, I'm going to share with you my instant ramen wisdom here on Just the Tip. This first one is my go-to recipe that's kind of like you and your significant other. You know, you love them for who they are, but sometimes you just want a little more action. First, cook up some spicy ramen. Then during the last minute, stir in some Kraft sliced cheese. And as it melts, it turns the soup into a pleasantly milky broth. For a little nutrition, add some spinach and drop in an egg. Then serve it up with sliced ham and scallions on top. My favorite part is breaking the yolk open and letting it all spread out. Again, it's like you and your significant other. This next one is perfect for when you're craving mac and cheese, but you ain't got no time to make it from scratch, but you also want to maintain your fake ass bougie lifestyle. Cook ramen in just a little bit of water, add the chicken seasoning packet, and heavy cream. Then sprinkle in Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, and mix it until fully combined and creamy. Want some texture? Add toasted ramen on top. Holy cheeses, can I get a ramen? Did you also know that you can toss a damn good salad with ramen? Break up a ramen brick and season it. Then start with mixed greens, mandarin slices, shredded carrots, sliced almonds, then in goes the ramen bits, and some ginger dressing. Crunchy, refreshing, and super flavorful. And finally, I'll leave you with just another little chunk of wisdom. Creativity feeds off of limitation, so the next time you are in a creative rut, listen to that little voice in your tummy and create your next low-budget masterpiece. Or in worst case, you could just take a bite out of this, because you know you have. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, Julie and Jen here again for the Nuclear Fire Ramen Challenge.
We have done this before, not this particular challenge. There's a less spicy version that we each filmed separately that kicked our asses.
Yeah, let's make it. Water in.
Okay.
We're struggling here.
You get your nice thick ramen noodles. Then you get a little topper, which is usually some sesame seeds and a little bit of seaweed.
Yeah.
And that's really, that's really good.
And this isn't a soupy ramen. This is sort of like noodles, right? Like kind of stir-fried noodles.
Proper.
So that thick sauce gets coated all across those thick noodles.
Yeah.
Thick on thick.
Say thick one more time.
Thick.
Drink every time she says thick.
Double C. In they go. All right, so we'll let these cook and see you in a bit. Oh!
I'm not liking it.
Okay.
Not doing it.
All goes in. The consistency.
Yep. That.
Mm-hmm.
How?
That's orange, like Julie's hair.
Orange. Okay. All right, and now for the topping.
This is delicious.
Not
It's
the
a great
spiciness.
combo.
Mixy,
Get a little
mixy.
mix. Oh.
The color is immaculate.
It smells great.
It smells really good. It smells very like soy saucy.
Yeah.
I'm getting fumes. I just got so scared. I should have peed before we started. May the best woman win.
Put air.
Out of your can. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready.
Whenever you're ready.
Let go
I'm
whenever
good
you
to
feel
go.
good. Yeah.
Yep.
Whenever you're ready.
Wait a minute.
Wait, just wait a second. Just wait a second. Just wait a second.
3, 2, 1, Beyonce.
Oh my god.
Keep going.
Hold on a second. Oh my god, Jenny, you're gonna be sick. Just slow down. Slow down.
You can't. You gotta keep going.
First update. It sucks. Second update. 0 flavor. Only spice. I'm a dragon. I'm like a dragon. It's fire.
Tuning you out.
But that was dumb. You're dumb.
Why are you still going?
Having the long long game. I'm playing a long game. I mean, I would have won, but I won up here.
I don't feel like a winner if it's anything, Julie.
And I won right here, and I won right in my uterus. It's the most powerful part of you. Oh!
Holy sh!
Da 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 da.
So sad.
I'm sad. It hurts so much. I can't do it.
You can do it, Julie. I got some yogurt. I can't stand up anymore. Coat the lip.
Just trying to look at that house over there, because I bet you there's people in there that aren't eating spicy food, and I bet you they're so happy. I bet you they're so happy.
You're crying.
You're sad.
Spit in my eye.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Every time I go to put it in my mouth, it comes back out. May I have a tissue? Oh, everything's like making me uneasy. You're coughing. I don't like it. Oh god! Oh god! It went on my nose. Oh my god!
All right,
Touch the wall.
we gotta sign off here. Things need to be taken care of. All right. Good job, Julie.
Thank you. You too, friend. You look good.
I think we're both losers here today.
Thank you so much for watching. I apologize for this last little bit. This is not me.
It's all right.
Great video.
Great.
Done?
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. We need to go and take care of our bodies.